In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the time on TradingView, a crucial step for accurately managing your trading activities. Whether you're a beginner, just getting started, or an experienced trader looking for a quick refresher, adjusting your chart's time zone ensures you have the correct information for making informed decisions. Let's dive into the process. If you're using TradingView on the web or desktop, you'll start by directing your attention to the bottom right corner of your chart. This is where the current time is readily shown. It may seem like a small step, but identifying this area is essential before proceeding further. TradingView's interface is designed for simplicity, but sometimes it's these little things that can trip us up if we're not careful. Once you've located the time display, hover your mouse over this corner. This simple action will reveal a drop-down menu, a nifty feature that TradingView embeds to cater to the varied needs of its worldwide user community. You'll notice that this menu doesn't automatically pop up, which is a nice touch to keep the interface looking sleek and uncluttered until you need to make a change. Now, with the drop-down menu open, you'll be presented with an array of time zones to choose from. It's crucial to select the correct time zone that corresponds with the market or the geographic location you're most interested in or trading within. For traders, aligning the chart's time zone with the exchange's operational hours or your own local time often helps in synchronizing market analysis and trade execution. Switching the time zone is as simple as clicking on your choice from the list. Once you've done this, your chart will update to reflect the selected time setting. This immediate change ensures that your data is relevant and precisely tailored to the current market conditions you are analyzing. Such precision can be the difference between a well-timed trade and a missed opportunity. An additional tip here is to occasionally double-check your settings, especially if you've recently traveled, or if daylight saving time adjustments are common in your region. This precaution makes sure that you're always viewing the most accurate time on your charts, thereby eliminating possible errors in your trading strategy due to time zone differences. Remember, the ability to customize your TradingView charts to fit your specific needs is part of what makes the platform so powerful and user-friendly. By aligning your time zone settings correctly, you're taking one more step towards making your trading experience as efficient and effective as possible. With this task checked off, you can now proceed with greater confidence in analyzing trends and placing your trades precisely when you intend to. That's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Adjusting your time zone is a simple yet essential aspect of ensuring your TradingView experience is optimal. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your trading routine.